It's Maldives, India, Delhi, Punjab, Kerala and Haryana in lane number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 at the time of the start. The gun blazed and declared that the race has just begun, and all the athletes are looking quite promising, rich in their speed. And team of India, as per the expectation, is doing very well in lane number 2. From the outside you can see team of Haryana, and from the middle the team of Punjab. They are all looking quite easy, promising, but you can see that the Kerala team has just been pipped by team from Punjab. Is looking in this nice touch there, but anything can happen. The first runner, they are all doing very well there, but team from India has now just increased the speed, and here we are going to see a clear picture of that. But team of Punjab is still holding the edge and is still ahead. Team India and team Kerala are also looking good there in rich touch. Team India passed the baton at the first position. Team of Punjab is at the second position there, and these two athletes, as you can see, that they are quite charged up there. India and Punjab, this is the battle for the first position there. What we are expecting is a time as close to as 3-minute mark, or maybe lower than that. Team of India getting close attention from team of Punjab from behind. Only 3 meters dividing these two teams that are running at the first two positions. But now the team of Punjab is losing a bit of his speed there. Haryana is coming at the third position, and Delhi is at the fourth, and Kerala at fifth at this point of time. Lovely drone view there for you. But now the gap is increasing between India and Punjab. As we have reached to the halfway mark of this relay race, India is looking quite promising there. There's no doubt that they are the best as far as the performance up to this point of time is concerned, but we all are now focusing on how much time they are going to get there. Team of India is pushing hard and pushing hard and pushing all the limits. Team of Punjab is giving them some anxious moments, but at this point of time the gap between India and Punjab is of about 15 meters. 25 meters behind them is the team of Haryana. India is going for the final exchange of baton. This is going to be tough. 2 minutes 15 seconds have already gone, and we want the best of the race from the Indian team, and let's see what they have in store. Team of Haryana went for the third place the exchange. Team of Delhi is coming at the fourth position, but we will return to that later on. Now focus on the leaders, and the team of India is approaching towards the finishing line. It's about 120 meters to go, and team of India is looking quite promising in their speed as the clock is ticking down. 2 minutes 42 have already gone, and the team of India is trying to cut the timing quite significantly. Team of Punjab is doing very well, but not quite enough. They are about 30 meters behind. Team of India is looking for the significant cut in the timing. That's what our expectation is, and they are getting all the cheers from the crowd as they are approaching towards the tape. Team of India, they are about for 20 meters ahead. That's not the question. The question is that what time they are going to achieve there, but they cross the finishing line at the timing of about 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Team of Punjab is at the second position, and team from Haryana did what they was expected in that lineup, and they claimed the third position in that tight contest. Team of India is coming at the fourth, and team of Kerala is coming at the sixth position there. But team of Punjab is celebrating the moment. They know that they competed against the best in the nation and got the second spot in that relay race, and full congratulations to them of giving a tough chase to the team of India for their supremacy there. As we go, this is the start. As from here on you can see that team of Delhi, India and Haryana were looking quite promising. Team of Kerala, as you can see from the outside, the team of Haryana is setting up an early pace, but from here on the team of Kerala just moved behind. As you can see in this replay, that at this point of time team of India and Punjab were running from shoulder to shoulder, and in fact Punjab team was ahead. For a moment we thought that is there an upset on the cards, but as they went for the exchange, it was evidently clear that they both are at par, and just when they start racing in a single lane, the team of India reached to the first position. Team of Punjab was at the second position. Here you can see in the replay they were so close to each other at this point of time. But from this point onwards, Indian team went from strength to strength. Here they are opening up a gap. It's about 4 meters at this point of time. Trying so hard from behind, team of Punjab. Team India is rich speed. That's a lovely bird's eye view of the arena of NIS Patiala. Here there is the halfway mark, and there the distance between the top two finishers was of about 10 meters. But it is only going northwards. The team of India is still looking quite solid at their first position. The Punjabi team is doing enough, but not quite enough in closing the gap, as they know that they are competing against the best team in the nation. They worked hard on the baton exchange, and whenever we talk about baton exchange, our mind goes back to some follies that the US team committed in baton exchanges and missed out on many medals in the Olympics. Here you can see that team of India is looking quite solid in their touch. Team of Maldives exchanging the baton at the last position. Here is the final sprinter of 400-meter relay. What we were thinking about, that will they achieve the timing of less than 3 minutes. We all were hoping and expecting about that timing, and they got the time of 3 minutes 5.22 in that contest. Punjab team came second with the timing of 3 minutes 9.84.